Imagine you spent 30 years of your life working, sweating, and sacrificing to build $1 million nest egg. You've locked it in what you think is a secure financial vault, but you don't realize that your vault has a microscopic leak. Every single day, a few dollars drip out, then a few hundred, then a few thousand. By the time you retire and finally open that vault, nearly 1/3 of your entire life savings has completely vanished. This isn't a hypothetical horror story. It is the cold, calculated reality for millions of retail investors. If you are investing your hard-earned money in traditional, actively managed mutual funds, or if you have a financial advisor managing your retirement accounts under the standard fee structure, you are currently bleeding money, and you are doing it in broad daylight. The financial services industry has built a multi-trillion-dollar empire on a single predatory psychological premise that investing is too complicated for you and that you need to pay an expert to beat the market. They lure you in with fancy terminology, 150-page prospectuses, and comforting handshakes. But today, we are going to tear down their facade. We are putting two investment strategies head-to-head in a ruthless 30-year financial showdown. We will prove with audited 30-year mathematical models how a seemingly microscopic 2% fee secretly robs an average investor of nearly $1 million in liquid wealth. More importantly, we are going to arm you with the only 3 investment terms that actually matter in 2026, so you can seal the leak in your vault, reclaim your financial sovereignty, and stop paying for your advisor's next yacht. Let's run the real math. When you sit down with a traditional financial advisor or buy into an active mutual fund, they will tell you, this fund is managed by Harvard graduates. They actively buy and sell stocks to shield you from market drops. And the cost? It's just a tiny 1.5% annual expense ratio. It's less than a cup of coffee. This is the expense ratio mirage. Your brain hears 1.5% and thinks, oh, that means if my portfolio makes 10% this year, the bank takes 1.5% of my profit and I keep 8.5%. If that's what you think, you have been successfully conned. An expense ratio is not a tax on your profits. It is a tax on your entire principal balance. They charge you this fee every single year, 365 days a year, whether your portfolio goes up, goes down, or flatlines. If the stock market crashes by 20% this year and you lose $100,000 of your hard-earned money, your mutual fund managers don't lose a dime. They still take their 1.5% cut of your remaining nest egg to pay for their salaries. But it gets worse. If you have an advisor who puts you into that fund, they often stack an AUM fee, asset under management fee, of an additional 1.0% on top. Suddenly, you are paying 2.5% per year just for the privilege of letting someone else hold your money. To understand how predatory this is, let's look at a physical analogy. Imagine hiring a manager to run a rental property for you. If they charged you a percentage of your rental income, that would be fair, but instead, they demand a fee equal to 2% of the entire physical house's value every single year. Within 50 years, they would completely own your house without ever contributing a single dollar to the mortgage. This is why active mutual funds are wealth transfer mechanisms. They transfer wealth from the pocket of the disciplined saver to the balance sheet of the investment firm. Now, the mutual fund industry will defend these fees by making a bold promise. Yes, we cost more, but we beat the market. Our active trading yields higher returns, which easily covers our fees. This is a flat-out lie, and we have the audited data to prove it. Let that number sink in. 92% of the brightest minds on Wall Street, armed with supercomputers, insider research, and billions of dollars, fail to beat a simple robot that automatically buys the 500 largest companies in America. You are paying a premium price for a product that is mathematically proven to underperform a free basic alternative. But why do they fail so miserably? Because of trading drag. An active fund manager constantly buys and sells stocks to try and time the market. Every time they trade, they incur transaction fees, brokerage commissions, and bid-ask spreads, hidden costs that are never disclosed in the basic expense ratio, but are quietly deducted from your portfolio's performance. They are running a race with a 50-pound backpack of fees on their shoulders, while a simple passive index fund is running light, carrying an expense ratio of almost zero.
Let's run the real math over a 30-year working life. We will assume both funds track the exact same assets, yielding an average historical stock market nominal return of 8.5% per year before fees. For 30 years, both Alice and Dave dutifully invest their money. They sacrifice eating out, skip luxury vacations, and invest a total of $590,000 of their own hard-earned cash. Let's fast forward the clock to year 30 and reveal the final balances. Look at your screen. By making the exact same monthly contributions and capturing the exact same market performance, DIY Dave ends up with $2,869,798. Advisor-led Alice ends up with $1,931,257. The difference? $938,541.07. Alice lost nearly $1 million of her retirement wealth, not to a stock market crash, not to a bad investment, but to a quiet, compounding 2% fee that bled her vault dry for 30 years. 32% of Alice's entire lifetime wealth was quietly transferred to her financial advisor and mutual fund managers. Alice has to work an extra 7 to 10 years of her life just to pay for the fees she was told don't really matter. This is the true math of the financial industry. It is the greatest legal transfer of wealth in human history. The financial system wants you to believe you need a master's degree in finance to manage your wealth. They want you paralyzed by complexity so you remain dependent on their high-fee services. But the truth is, you only need to master 3 investment terms to secure your retirement and build massive, quiet wealth. First, expense ratio. This is the price of admission for any fund. Starting today, your golden rule is simple. Never buy any broad market fund with an expense ratio higher than 0.10%. If a fund charges 1% or 1.5%, walk away immediately. There are world-class index funds from Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab that charge as little as 0.03%, which is virtually free. Every decimal point you save goes directly into your compounding vault. Second, passive index tracking. Stop trying to pick individual stocks and stop paying mutual fund managers to do it for you. Buy a broad market index fund that passively tracks the entire stock market, like the S&P 500 or a total stock market index. This guarantees you capture 100% of the growth of the global economy, automatically outpacing 92% of professional money managers while keeping your fees at absolute zero. Third, automated asset allocation. This is how you manage risk without paying an expensive advisor. Decide on a simple split based on your age and risk tolerance. For example, 90% index funds for growth and 10% cash or high-yield savings for stability. Set up your brokerage account to automatically buy these assets every time you get paid. By automating your contributions, you remove human emotion, completely eliminating the psychological urge to buy high and sell low. Your action plan today is simple. Log into your retirement accounts, open your portfolio holdings, and look for the term expense ratio. If you see numbers like 1.2%, 1.5%, or 2.0%, you now know exactly what is happening to your future wealth. You are bleeding. By moving your money out of high-fee active mutual funds and into low-cost passive index funds, you can instantly secure up to $1 million in extra wealth for your future self without earning a single dollar more at your job. Do not let Wall Street bleed your vault dry. Take control of your math, master your simplicity, and protect your hard-earned wealth. If you want to see the exact 4 low-cost, high-performing funds that you can use to build a complete, automated portfolio that runs itself for virtually free, click on this video right here. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.